Hello children, today we can study question number 15. Define a class students with the following specification. And here to what was the specification? Data member, string name, here to store the name of the students, and to store the mark in English, that is a int ing, to store the mark in Hindi, int hn, to store the mark in max, that is int mts is written, and to store the total mark, that is double total, and to store the average mark, that is double avg. And member method, you have to accept the input marks in English, Hindi and max, and you have to compute to calculate the total mark and average of 3 subjects, and you have to display all the details, name, mark, total and average. After that, you have to create a object and invoke the above method. Now we can see the program. Same way, here I have created a class students, and all the data member are created inside the class using the private member. So private int English, private int hn, private int mts, private double total and private double avg. And public void get data taking for input here, and scanner class we are taking. So system.out.print, enter the name of the students, then mark English, Hindi and max. And you have to compute public void compute. First of all, you have to find out the total. So how will you find out the total? English plus Hindi plus max, you will get the total of the subject, and average is equal to total by 3.0. After that, you have to display the name, mark in English, mark in Hindi, mark in max, then total mark, then average. Then after that, void main part created a object method of the class and call the method one by one. obj.accept, obj.compute and obj.display. Now we can see the output of the program. Here I enter the name Rahul, enter the mark in English 90, enter the mark in Hindi 78, and enter the mark in max is 89. Then you will get the output, total mark 2.57 and average 85%. So today for this much only. Thank you my dear children.